This should be interesting. Jack, you're guarding the Jolly Ball. Mikey. No, 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 no. Playing with the Jolly Ball, not the pillows. Ellie, get the ball. Ellie, go get the ball. Get the ball. Come on. Jack, you're just baiting the cats, or the dogs. You're just waiting for it. Ellie, go get your ball. Jack. Cats don't play with Jolly Balls. Now they've given up on the Jolly Ball and they're playing together. The little monkey complains a lot, doesn't he, Jack? Ellie. You love the little pest. And the little pest is not quite so little anymore. Oh, but he still falls over. Okay. They're still having fun. You can still go under your legs, Ellie. Probably not for much longer. You two play so nicely together. Give him the pounce. Oh, Ellie. He's harder to keep track of now. There's more of him to keep track of. Got to be 25 pounds now. Oh, I think you stepped on his ear. He's got lots of ears. Yeah, he's got long ears. And he's going back for more. Meanwhile, Jack has claimed the Jolly Ball. He's watching Dane TV. Mikey, you're such a funny guy. You love your little brother, don't you, Ellie? Endless hours of amusement. Give him that pounce. Your signature move. As he comes back for more. Okay, I think he's getting tired. Here you go. All right, Fun time, playtime.